Welcome to the Regrid Mapping Platform. Today we'll show you how to use our Bookmark tool. People mostly use bookmarks to save and make notes on properties that interest them or which they'd like to return to later. In this video, we're only going to be covering bookmarks on the website side of Regrid, but please note that you can also bookmark properties right from the Regrid app if you'd like. We have a separate tutorial video on that. To bookmark a property here on the website, click on the property that interests you. Under Actions, you'll see an Add Bookmark button. Clicking it adds a bookmark to that property. You can click on the Bookmark tab that then appears if you'd like to add notes or a photo to your bookmark. You can see all of your bookmarks under the Bookmark tool on the left-hand sidebar. For each bookmark, you can copy a link, delete the bookmark, or click on the address to jump to just that parcel. Here you can also find an option to download your bookmarks as a CSV, which is a spreadsheet file type. You can also delete all of your bookmarks at once by clicking Delete All Bookmarks down at the bottom.